Hey, this is John Young. Today we're looking at a flashlight from COAST. This is the WLR1. What this is basically an area floodlight and a spotlight in one that is rechargeable. The little system that will allow you to illuminate a pretty good sized area, and we've got a really cool demonstration of that here in just a little bit. But first, let's jump over to the other camera and get a better look at the WLR1. So one thing about the COAST flashlights, when they have an R in their name or the model number, that generally means they're rechargeable, and this is one of the rechargeable ones. It has a, let's see, I believe it has a 4400 milliamp battery in here. So we've got on the back of it a nice little sealed cover that comes down and seals it up so you can't, it's basically somewhat water resistant. But we have the ability to charge. We've got a USB out port. We've got a little USB in for the charging, and then we have that little indicator on the bottom that will show you right there that how much battery is there. You can kind of see it. Wow, it's cool. It's strobing there, but it's not strobing in real life, or at least it's not what I see. We have our button here for turning it on. There we go. High, medium, low, off. High, medium, low, off. Okay. Adjusting to get it wider or narrower. It has a little screw in front here. So let's turn this on. We're on high, and it's in right now. It's in full flood, and now I'll turn this out, and you'll see as it comes in on my shirt into more of a spot. So we're in a spot. We can back this out, and it becomes a very wide angle flood, which is coming to it's almost at a 120 degree angle. It's a very, very steep angle. Comes with a little kickstand on it, so you can go and set it up in a variety of methods, or it can be hung if you wanted to go that route. It really is got some nice flexibility. The big thing that you'd probably find is that it doesn't have magnets on the back, so there's no way to stick it to a surface. You know, if this was a metal surface, it wouldn't be able to stick to that. It's really just kind of meant as a standalone light, like so, and to be able to go and have it so it can illuminate an area. Easily quick recharge. You've got the indicator, and yeah, it's just a nice little compact light. But the big thing is we got to check it out in the field, and here's a great picture. This picture was of a night that we were burning some brush by an old tree line, and we had the light approximately 80 feet away. We had zoomed it in, so it was kind of more of a zoom light, more of a spotlight than the actual full zoom. And you can see how it illuminated up into the trees, and it illuminated the area around the fire. It just made it so we could work a lot safer around that fire as we were burning after dark, because of burning restrictions that were on at that time for burning during the daytime. So again, this is the WLR1 here from COAST. If you're looking for an area light that's going to be able to illuminate the campsite, could be something you hang up in a tree, an angle, wherever you need it to be, this is going to be a great option for you. And depending upon how your charging system is, one of the little solar panels, charge it up, you're good for the next night. Yeah, you got to check this out. I'll put a link in the description below so you can go check it out. This is John Young here. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.